Energy drain. Astral projection draws heavily from your subtle life force, the same spiritual energy that sustains your physical vitality, emotions, and mental clarity. When you engage in astral travel too frequently, this energy can become depleted, leaving you feeling unusually tired, foggy, or emotionally dull. It's similar to over-exercising your physical body. Even something beneficial becomes draining without time to rest and recharge. Those who project often without grounding may notice symptoms like persistent fatigue, dizziness, or a sense of being spaced out. This happens because the connection between the etheric, energy body, and the physical body weakens temporarily during projection, and repeatedly doing so without proper recovery can strain the system. To stay balanced, it's essential to ground yourself after each session through deep breathing, meditation focused on the root chakra, spending time in nature, or eating grounding foods like nuts or earthy vegetables. These small habits help replenish your life force and maintain harmony between your physical and spiritual energies. Sleep disruption. Because astral projection usually occurs during deep relaxation or at the threshold of sleep, doing it too often can interfere with your body's natural rest cycles. Your mind starts associating bedtime with effort, trying to leave the body, rather than allowing sleep to unfold naturally. Over time, this can lead to restless nights, fragmented sleep, or difficulty entering deep restorative stages. Many frequent projectors report waking up suddenly in the middle of the night, feeling half awake and half in another dimension, which can leave them feeling unrested the next morning. This constant interruption of normal sleep rhythms not only causes physical exhaustion, but can also affect mood, focus, and emotional balance. To prevent this, it's wise to limit projections to a few times a week and give your body nights dedicated solely to deep, uninterrupted sleep. Maintaining a calm bedtime routine, like meditation without the intention to project, helps retrain your body to rest fully while still keeping your energy attuned for future astral journeys. Emotional imbalance. When you shift between the physical and astral planes too frequently, your emotional body can become overstimulated and unsteady. The astral realm is a place of heightened emotion and sensitivity. Feelings there are magnified, colors and sensations are more vivid, and even subtle thoughts can create strong energetic ripples. Moving in and out of that environment too often can leave you feeling emotionally raw or unanchored once you return to your waking life. You might notice sudden mood swings, anxiety, irritability, or a strange sense of emotional detachment from the people around you. This happens because your subconscious mind is processing more energetic information than it's used to, and it struggles to integrate those experiences into your everyday awareness. To restore balance, it helps to focus on emotional grounding after projection. Journaling your experiences, engaging in calming creative activities, or practicing mindfulness to reconnect your emotions with the present moment. Allowing time for reflection ensures that astral insights strengthen your emotional depth rather than overwhelm it. Difficulty grounding. Frequent astral projection can make it challenging to fully return and stabilize in your physical body. After repeated journeys, you may feel lightheaded, disoriented, or as though part of your awareness is still somewhere else. This sense of being half in, half out of reality can blur your focus and make daily tasks feel less tangible or meaningful. The more often you project, the more your subtle energy body becomes accustomed to that expanded state of freedom, and it may resist the heavier vibration of physical existence. As a result, grounding yourself becomes essential. Practices like walking barefoot on natural ground, mindful breathing, or even holding grounding crystals such as hematite or smoky quartz can help anchor your consciousness back into your body. Taking warm showers, engaging in physical exercise, or simply focusing on sensory experiences like touch or sound also reinforces your connection to the present world. Remember, true spiritual mastery is not about escaping the physical plane, but learning to exist fully within it while still accessing higher realms when necessary. Weakened focus. When astral projection becomes too frequent, it can subtly shift your attention away from the physical world and pull your awareness deeper into inner or imaginative realms. This heightened inward focus may feel pleasant or spiritually enriching at first, but over time, it can make it difficult to stay engaged with ordinary tasks. You might find yourself daydreaming more often, losing concentration at work or study, or feeling disconnected from time and routine. The mind starts to crave the expansiveness of the astral experience, which can make daily life feel slow or dull in comparison. This imbalance is not a sign of spiritual advancement, but rather of energy misdirection, the consciousness favoring exploration over embodiment. To counter this, grounding activities that reawaken your senses are key. Mindful movement, creative expression, or setting small daily goals that demand present moment focus. Maintaining a balance between inner exploration and outer responsibility ensures that your spiritual practice enhances, rather than replaces, your connection to the physical world. Spiritual overload. Your subtle energy system, the chakras, aura, and meridians, acts as a bridge between your physical and spiritual bodies. When you project too often, this system is exposed repeatedly to the high vibrational frequencies of the astral plane, which can overwhelm it if not balanced properly. This spiritual overload may feel like energetic fatigue, confusion, dizziness, or even sensitivity to light, sound, or emotions. Just as a computer overheats when running too many programs at once, your energetic field can become overstimulated by constant astral activity without enough downtime to integrate what you've experienced. When this happens, grounding, rest, and energy cleansing are essential. Practices like salt baths, chakra balancing meditations, or simply spending quiet time in nature can help discharge excess energy and restore harmony to your system. Remember, your spiritual growth flourishes not from how often you travel beyond the body, but from how well you integrate those experiences into your grounded, conscious life. Addiction to escape astral projection can be incredibly liberating. A sense of soaring beyond physical limits, touching higher realms, or experiencing pure freedom of consciousness. However, when practiced excessively, it can turn from spiritual exploration into a subtle form of escapism. The astral plane offers beauty, peace, and wonder that often contrasts sharply with the stress, conflict, or emotional weight of daily life. It can slowly evolve into a habit of avoidance rather than growth. This dependency weakens your ability to process real-world emotions and challenges, trapping you in a loop of temporary relief followed by deeper disconnection. True spiritual balance means using these journeys as tools for insight, not escape. It's important to ask yourself after each projection, what did I learn that can improve my life here? When used with intention and moderation, astral projection can help you heal, find perspective, and grow stronger in both the physical and spiritual worlds. Distorted perception. Frequent movement between the physical, astral, and dream states can blur the boundaries of consciousness, making it difficult to distinguish what's real from what's imagined or perceived on higher planes. Over time, this can lead to confusion, vivid but disorienting sensations, or even memory gaps between sleep, dream, and projection experiences. You might find yourself second-guessing events, wondering whether a conversation, vision, or sound happened physically or in an altered state. This occurs because the mind adapts to fluid transitions between realities, weakening the mental anchor that keeps perception stable in waking life. While sensitivity to subtle energies is a natural part of spiritual development, excessive exposure without grounding can make you overly porous to impressions and energies not meant for constant awareness. To stay balanced, keep a journal of your experiences and review them with logic and reflection. It helps your mind organize spiritual insights within real-world context. Clarity strengthens when the spiritual and the physical are allowed to coexist without confusion. Increased psychic sensitivity, consistent astral projection, naturally strengthens your intuitive and psychic senses. your perception expands and you begin to sense subtle vibrations, emotions, or presences around you more vividly than before. However, this heightened awareness can be both a gift and a challenge. When your energetic channels remain open too often, you may become overly sensitive to external influences, picking up on the emotions of others, sensing spiritual energies, or even feeling drained in crowded or energetically heavy spaces. In the astral realm, constant exposure without proper boundaries can also attract entities or energies you aren't fully prepared to handle. This doesn't necessarily mean danger, but it does call for discernment and energetic hygiene. Building psychic strength involves learning how to open and close your energy field intentionally. Techniques like visualizing a protective light around yourself, practicing grounding after every session, and setting clear intentions before projection help you stay safe and stable. Remember, awareness without protection can overwhelm, but balanced sensitivity brings empowerment and spiritual maturity. Need for recovery time. Just like your muscles after intense exercise, your subtle energy body requires rest and recovery after each astral journey. Each projection shifts your vibration, exercises your consciousness, and expands your perception, all of which demand integration time for your mind, body, and spirit. Without proper rest, you may begin to feel mentally scattered, energetically fatigued, or emotionally overstimulated. Allowing space between sessions helps consolidate the lessons, insights, and healing you've received in the astral plane so they can benefit your waking life. Quiet reflection, journaling, meditation, or simply grounding through nature are powerful ways to help your energy realign. It's not the number of times you project that deepens your spiritual evolution, but how well you integrate and embody those experiences in your physical existence. Taking intentional pauses transforms astral projection from a fleeting adventure into a meaningful path of balance, awareness, and growth.